Let's take a look at the design and features of the new MSI MPG Z890 Edge TI Wi-Fi motherboard. We'll begin with unboxing the thing. Have a look at that. This is where the Wi-Fi antenna is. Oh, white color. Nice. And the stand, also in white. This is how it is assembled. Just slide it in and connect this to the motherboard. Let's check if there is a magnet in here. Indeed, there is a magnet, and it's a quite strong one. So you can just attach it to any metal surface on your PC case. Convenient. Let's see what else we have in the box. What kind of accessories do we get with this motherboard? Ah yes, here are the goodies. 2 SATA cables, front panel cable adapter. This is very nice, and this is EasyCon cable that allows you to connect RGB as well as fans easily. USB drive, nice, and the 2 SSD accessories as well as the key to use them. Stickers, regulatory notice and quick installation guide. Let's take a look at this. Nice illustrations. Everything is easy to understand. Now it's time for the main course. Let's unpack the motherboard. Beautiful. We have some protective film to peel. Let's do it. Satisfying, as always. Yes. One more here. And another one here. Let me just try and get a grip on this one. I think here at the top. Yes. Oh, no. Yeah, this one is a bit difficult. Gonna have to start peeling it from various angles. Yes. A little bit here. And there we go. Beautiful design. A combination of silver and white colors. The PCB has a combination of white and off-white colors. And here is the back. This is gray. Z890 motherboards have a brand new socket. They're not backwards compatible with previous Intel generation CPUs. This motherboard is built to support the latest Intel Core Ultra 200 series CPUs. The Edge TI features a robust 16+1+1+1 power delivery system that will handle any CPU. And take a look at this cooling. VRMs are sufficiently cooled by huge heatsinks. Yeah, massive heatsinks. Nice. Let's take a look at the new socket. There's more pins on it now. This is what it looks like. It is called LGA 1851. The most notable change compared to the previous generation of motherboards, that's comparing to Z790 is that the Z890 now have this supplemental power 8-pin connector that delivers additional power to the GPUs as well as fans and RGB. That is up to 252 watts of supplemental power. Also, I love the fact that MSI moved the CPU power connectors to the right. Now it is much easier to access them when you're building a PC. The I/O shield comes pre-installed. We have flash BIOS, clear CMOS, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt ports. This is nice. Now we can connect our Thunderbolt devices and also fast storage with up to 40 gigabit per second data transfer speed. 1 10 gigabit USB Type-C, 4 5 gigabit USB Type-A ports, 1 USB 2.0 for updating BIOS, 5 gigabit LAN, 4 10 gigabit USB Type-A ports, true Wi-Fi 7, which means that now we get speeds up to 5.8 gigabit per second wirelessly. Optical audio connection, mic connection, as well as the regular 3.5mm jack audio connection. For the front panel USBs, we get our regular connection as well as the fast 20 gigabit per second connection with 27 watts power charge capability. In terms of memory support, we get 4 DDR5 slots that support up to 256 gigabytes and up to 9200 plus megatransfers per second speed. There's a total of 3 PCIe Express slots. This one is PCIe 5.0 for your main GPU. There's also a PCIe 4.0 for a secondary GPU or other PCIe devices, and one more PCIe 4.0 X1. This one is X16 and this one is X16 as well. There are 4 SATA ports and 5 M.2 SSD slots. The fastest Gen 5 SSD slot is at the top here. I love this toolless installation. Yeah, very nice. You just push that and the heatsink comes off. And check it out, there's also a heat plate at the bottom as well to help cool your Gen 5 SSD. And there's 4 more M.2 SSD slots, and you don't need any tools to access them either. Same toolless installation. Nice. There we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 Gen 4 SSDs. And here is the mechanism to lock and unlock the PCIe slot for your GPU. You can do it with this button. This is very convenient. Look at that. There's a tiny lock symbol there that indicates if the slot is locked or unlocked. There's a total of 8 fan connections. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one is pump fan and this one is CPU fan. There's also an LED switch, so you can turn off the LEDs. Boom, and it's done if you don't like RGBs. I think this is a great option for an all-white Intel PC build. What do you think about this motherboard? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.